Hey guys, great news. Dalton RV has a 2027 Cherokee Grey Wolf 29 TE. This is our best selling bunk suite camper. It has a front camper king bed with wardrobe cabinets next to a bathroom with a large shower, sink and vanity, and toilet with its own entrance from the outside. In the middle, we've got a kitchen and a super slide out with the U-shaped dinette and sofa. And in the rear, there's a private bunk suite with 3 bunk beds. This camper has the 2 AC upgrade, solar panel, outdoor kitchen, backup camera,